Can one automated warehouse handle over 10,000 different products and supply materials directly to production lines? This system does exactly that. This AS warehouse provides 16,500 storage locations and supports more than 10,000 SKUs. The warehouse has a total of 20 levels designed for high-density storage and fast material flow. The system integrates multiple technologies: stacker cranes for pallet storage, four-way shuttles for bin storage, AGVs for material transport, and industrial robots for handling. This creates a fully automated warehouse system. On the second floor, pallet storage is handled by a conveyor system. There are picking stations as well as depalletizing and palletizing RS. Two high-speed stacker cranes automatically deliver pallets to the picking stations. Materials are transported between floors using automated elevators. This ensures smooth and continuous material flow throughout the system. All materials go through automatic weighing and barcode scanning. This ensures full traceability and accuracy in the warehouse system. The system can handle up to 2,000 operations per shift. It is also designed to support future expansion, increasing capacity by up to 1.5 times. This type of system provides a complete automation solution for modern factories. It improves efficiency, reduces labor, and ensures stable production supply. If you are planning a similar automation project, we can help you design the system and estimate your investment. Please contact us via email or WhatsApp on our channel homepage.